someone break in on frequency. You are 30 dB over 9 right now. You're incredibly loud. So please stand by. Who's the breaker? I think from the United States. Good evening, Rich. This is Dave, K2FE. Oh, hi, Dave. Peter's stronger than you. And Dave, you're 25 over, and Peter's 30 dB over 9 here. Unbelievable. Peter, on frequency, is a very good friend of mine. We've known each other many years. I think almost going on 40 years. So please listen for him. And Peter, I will stand by, and I know you wanted to work a lot at DX. I have enjoyed our conversation. So let me, with your permission, pass it to David. K2 Fox Victor with HA8RM K2R. Go ahead, Dave. Yeah, it gives me a chance to say good evening to two friends. Good evening, Peter. Nice to hear you. And Rich, as Rich said, we've been friends for a very long time. You're also you're 20 over 9 with me, Peter, right now. Yeah, a very good signal. HA